It is not here yet. Where is my car? Where is my car?
Hi, Phil.
It will be here soon.
Oh, this is a musical.
Welcome to Podcasts by Phil. This week we'll be talking about the Masterman and his love for his Mercedes.
Talk to camera. Tell us how you're feeling.
How am I feeling?
Welcome back to another video.
Yeah, so this is a bit of a weird one. So this is like a transitional video more than anything. So we've come down to Kustom Kolors to check out the paint that's all painted, and we're organising getting it collected next week to get it down to Phil for air, audio and refit. So this is the first time I'm seeing it, because anytime I've seen the paint, I saw obviously the roof get done, but I didn't see the bodywork get done. So all I've seen is pictures. So this is the first time seeing it in the flesh.
How is it?
Yeah, it's incredible. Yeah, it's wicked, and especially with the chrome work, it's just going to give it so much depth. And the little touch that I asked Colin to do was to colour code the entire rear lights, just to tidy up the rear end, because everything was looking so smart. I didn't want to break in colour, so I just wanted a nice clean, all candy red. It's done like a candy tint on them to bring them all red, so it looks nice and even. The boot and bonnet are done, so they're ready to go on. Chris is currently machine polishing it down, which I told him I was watching, and the glass will go in. We've just offered up the wheel just to see how it looks. A nice contrast with the satin and the gloss, and it looks fantastic. And yeah,
good job.
Yeah, so this is, I'm guessing that
this is going to be a part of.
There'll be a switch, and we'll be at Phil's.
Yeah. Phil's here, by the way.
Phil's here, but Phil has come down.
I'm going to say,
we obviously last week, and it's good to get these two catching up on the build and talk about what's going on and stuff like that. Next step, need to pick up the double front bumper and side trim from Meguiars UK. They've contacted us saying they've got some bits they can do for the Merc, which is wicked. And yeah, I'm quite subdued, quite chilled out today.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah, feel alright. Colour's banging, isn't it? So that's the copper sunset. So that's a Peugeot colour. Yeah, and with the contrast with the light lacing on the roof and the metal flake, I mean, I don't know if you pick up on camera, it's like ridiculous flake on the roof.
I hope it will, but I can't actually see it because it's so bright.
So bright. But the paint looks stunning. It looks killer. And as soon as we start putting all those chrome bits back on, it's just going to make it sing, and it's just going to look exactly like the 70s show car that I wanted it to look like. And when it's on the floor with the big fat wheels on it, it's going to look nuts. So yeah,
right.
Pretty chill today. You noticed?
Well, yeah, it's right though.
Everything's fine.
We'll see you at Phil's.
See me at Phil's.
plenty of time. Okay.
That's one.
Metal polish on that bad boy.
Yeah.
Make him shiny.
NXT.
Rubber.
First thing to do is get it up in the air, and then Phil needs to sort out what air ride we need from Airlift, and then I get that order in. We get the air ride sorted.
We need to find your equivalent to the 18 music.
Nah, we don't need to.
I think we do. Makes it fair, doesn't it?
Could we just have like like a monkey with some giant cymbals going. It's in paint, look. Got the chromey bits. Picked up the double bumper from Meguiars UK. So we'll probably do a big delivery video. Should we do that? Should we do a big delivery video?
Big delivery.
Because the interior's coming back to work, so we could film bringing it here.
Yes.
So we could do a big old delivery video. Here's a load of stuff, Phil. Sorry for bringing it, Phil. Sorry, Phil. See it, Players Classic, Phil.
Sorry, Phil.
Sorry, Phil. How good does the colour look now? We're starting getting chrome trim back on it.
It looks lovely. It looks really lovely.
Very brown.
Very brown.
Very brown.
Right. Over to you, Phil, again.
Why me? What are we talking about?
Because you've got to build it.
Just like that. Just build that. You, sir.
Over there.
Make this go brum.
So at least it didn't come in June.
I can't believe you just sold me on that he didn't come in June. It's like one day till June. Bye.
Like, share and subscribe.
We had a chat about this, didn't we? We're going to need to make more of an effort.
Sorry. Like, share, subscribe.
That one.
Like with a thumbs up, share with the sharing, and subscribe. and hit the little bell for notifications so you know when the next video's up.
Good.
I'm cooperating as much as I can.
Yep. Very proud of you. Bye.
Think about the first few videos.
I might do a flashback to some of them just to see how awkward you are. Oh, goodbye.
See ya.